Graph data structure in Facebook friendship network. But before that, did you know what graph data structure means? How can we use it in Facebook friendship network? And what can the Facebook friend graph teach us about data? So now, let's start this discussion. What is graph data structure? A graph is a nonlinear data structure consisting of vertices and edges. The vertices, also referred as nodes, and the edges are also called as lines or arcs that connect any two nodes in the graph. A graph is composed of a set of vertices V and a set of edges E. Graphs are used to solve many real-life problems, and it used to represent networks. The networks may include paths in a city or telephone network or circuit network. It also used in social networks like LinkedIn and Facebook. For example, in Facebook, each person is represented with a vertex or node. Each node is a structure and contains information like person ID, name, gender, locale, etc. Little facts about Facebook. Did you know that number of Facebook users in the world, monthly active users, has 2.934 billion, and over 350 million photos are uploaded to Facebook every single day? That's huge number, right? So now, here's a short story scenario about graph data structure in Facebook friendship network.
One day, Mark opened his Facebook and he saw a memory picture 5 years ago with his best friends. "I miss this day," he said. While Mark walking, he saw one of his best friends, Rodney, and they greet as best friends. "How are you, Rodney?" "I'm fine, doing well," Rodney said to Mark. They plan to have swimming with their friends on next Saturday. Then on another day, Mark chats his best friends James for their incoming swimming. But James said, "I don't know, I'll be late, sorry something came up. I can't make it today, sorry." Afterwards, Mark trying to search his best friend Ken's Facebook account and call it. Ken answered, "Sorry I can't go, I'm not available. I'm doing vlog every day and I'll stream on that day. By the way, please follow my page and support me, best friend. Thank you." Mark felt sad, but I missed them. On the day of swimming, only Mark and Rodney came and talked about their memories. I felt sad, but thank you for your time. When Mark got back to his house, he opened his Facebook and he posted it again, their memory picture with his best friends. "I miss this day, full of happiness. Thank you for this memories." And Mark said, "No excuses this time."
In this fact, this is why the graph and data structure are used in Facebook. So how can we use graph and data structure in terms of Facebook? To understand the complex connections between groups of friends, it helps to think about social networks not as masses of people or distinct groups, but to organize them based on the connections that individuals share. A Facebook user are represented by node, each friend is represented by a node, each edge represents a friendship. You can add friend or unfriend, delete, friend in Facebook. Some people fit squarely in the middle of one group while others might float between two or more social groups. The way we determine these social structures is through a social graph. The concept of friends and friends of friends can tell us as much about products as it can about people. Across all this data are patterns that can show us how information connects and how it doesn't, what's noise and what isn't. But we won't get to the point where these patterns show themselves by following the prevailing practices in big data. A graph has the advantage that data is represented based on connections. With the graph model approach to data analysis, critical bits of information are connected to each other and identified by the relationships they share.